Good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Sing Amit Official. Today we have to discuss about class 11 chemistry. And our chapter is general organic chemistry. That means guys, in previous section of video we have to study about the formation of the term when functional group is attached to the parent chain, and we have to give their priority. We have to add their the naming of in terms of suffix, and we have to solve some question in previous video. Today we have to discuss about the another one question. That is the question. This is alkene and alkyne. The topic is about alkene and alkyne substituent. That means how can we write the naming of the compounds of the organic compound when alkene and alkyne is termed as a substituent? Is there any other formula is applied? Is there any another rule is applied for the naming of this compound? This is Shuddha derivative of the things we have to discuss. This is the formation, just like in terms of examination. That is, in terms of this is the formation of the substituent in terms of alkene and alkyne formation, when you remove the terms of hydrogen from the position. In terms of the name of organic compound containing substituent, that is the combination of alkene and alkyne as a substituent, then the removal of hydrogen is regarded as the substrate. That means we have to follow some example for this. This is the formation when CH2. This is CH2. When you remove one hydrogen from this, that means your formation is CH2 double bond CH dash. That is the naming is here. This is E39 or V9. That means both the names is used for the naming of terms of IUPAC. This is your first example for this formation. Again the second one is, this is your first. Again we have to take up the second one of this. This is CH3 CH double bond CH2. After removing one H plus from this, we have prepared this kind of formation CH2 CH double bond CH2. That means we have to remove one hydrogen from this. One hydrogen from this is CH3. This is CH2. This is the formation of, we have the name. This is prop. This is prop 2 enine. This is prop 2 enine. When the numbering is represented in terms of the formation of like this, when hydrogen is removed from this, again we have to remove one hydrogen from the formation. That is the formation. That means in terms of this statement we have to remove this one hydrogen from the first carbon atom. You have the priority of this double bond in terms of the functional attachment, that is 1 prop 2 enine. When you remove the hydrogen from this condition, you have represented the formation. This is 3 CH double bond CH. And the naming of this compound we have to retain here. This is the prop 1 enine. So guys, this is the formation of the fermenting substance, formation of the substance and their naming derivatives. After that, after discussing these all terms, we have to discuss some questions for the naming. After that, we have to discuss this question of the naming of the compound. So take a note of this guys. So take a note of this. Okay. Now the question is here. Question. Write the name of following organic compound. That means the naming of following organic compound. Question is here. Question number first is here. That means the compound is substrate like the formation of this. That means total how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is it? That is attachments of 7 carbons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we have to attach some formation with it in terms of the double bonding and triple bonding means, because we have to study how to write the name of organic compounds when any double bond and triple bond comes in the name. For their formation, we have to write the name in terms of the containing this is formation. In this formation, like this. Containing this double bond. 1 minute. Not the for this here. Not the double bonding being here. Just like this. This is 3 carbon atoms. Okay. And this is also the formation of triple bond. Okay. Question number first is this. And we have to discuss about the question number second here. Again of the formation of like this. This is the attachments of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atom. There is double bonding rings is here, and also there is also double bonding rings is here, and this also gets a double bonding ring. This is your question. I know that this is very tough for you always, but solve this in the meaning. For the naming means you have to write the names for the numbering is here. This is triple bond consists one bond another way. That means this is not the skeleton of only 7 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. Only one double bond is paired and this carbon is denoted as another mean. That is 8 carbon attachments here. In terms of this, is also there is another carbon attachment. You have to notice it, guys. You have to notice this formation. That means numbering is allowed for the formation just like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is here. This is your condition. This is your condition of ethyl here and this is your condition of propyl here. Now do the naming of
this compound. Now do the naming of this compound. I will write the lowest common multiplication for this organic compound. You have to follow the substrains and do the naming for them. That means this is 3-ethyl. This is 3-ethyl. 4-propyl. 4-propyl. That means both the substrate, ethyl and propyl, both are written in terms of names. Now we have to take note of this, that this double bonding structure. That means 1,3-diene is here. 1,3. 1. This is here also a formation. 1,3. 1,3. Take a note. Both segment consisting of double bonding structure. 1 and 2. This is the formation of ene. 1 ene and 2 ene. That means you have to write 1,3-diene. That means both double bond circulation in terms of this. This is 1,3-diene is here, and we have to write the structure of the bonding. This is 7-ine. The naming of this compound is completed. 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, 1,3-diene, 7-ine. For the prefix of the double bonding, we have to prepare ene, and the suffix of double bonding, we have to prepare ine. All are completed. Now we have to do the naming of this formation. We have to discuss that this is a double bond CH2 CH formation. This is vinyl. Vinyl. We have to discuss this in the formation of just a few minutes ago. This is vinyl. For the naming, we have to write it like that. 4-vinyl. 4. The naming of this compound is written in terms of the formation. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the name of 8 carbon. This is 4-vinyl. Hept 1 ene, and 5 condition is taken to be 5-ine. That means this is the answer for this both question. Take a note of it. After that, we have to discuss about the derivative formation. After that, we have to discuss about the derivative formation of some special case of compound, that is benzene formation. Many type of the formation in terms of naming. We have to discuss the compound when the benzene consists of any functional group. How can you write the name of those compound? It is written in terms of iambic way, or is there any other fixed compound name is written in terms of that? We have to discuss this. That means that after applying this type of question, all the concepts gets clear. If you can't understand this all section in this video, do the practice of this question at home. You can easily understand for this. This is not a very big thing. This is not a very big deal here. Now we have to discuss about the compound of benzene. The compound of benzene and their derivatives in a special structure and their names. Okay. Before starting in this topic, we have to discuss about the structure of benzene. This is your structure of benzene. This is your benzene. This is your benzene. For molecular formula is S6-benzene. Benzene. From the first compound, we have to discuss it. This is the formation of benzene is there. If any halogen is attached on this is named as halobenzene. What is the meaning of halobenzene? We have right to this differentiation of this. This is the compound of contain. This is halogen. This X is represented from chloro, bromo, iodine, fluoro condition. If you add the Cl here, the name is started from the chlorobenzene. The naming of second derivative of benzene, the most popular compound is here. This is containing hydroxy on it. This is phenol. That will be your next class chapter, alcohol, phenol and ether. This is phenol. Now next one, note of third one. Third one is we have to represent the formation like this. This is your benzene, and you have to represent one oxygen combined with methyl. This is anisole. This is anisole is here. Now we have to take the another representation question, fourth representation of the formation. That is what it happened when aldehyde combine on the benzene. That means this is the structure of benzene here. This is the structure of benzene here. We have to represent the formation of this is the CHO. This is benzyl dihyde. This is benzyl dihyde. Now you have to represent the next one is if benzene contain one methyl on this is toluene. So take a note of this, draw this structure, revise for this. Take note. Okay. Okay. Now the naming of another benzene derivative is here. Again, this is the structure of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 one of these. If you have to represent the formation of benzene and you form one NH2 is here, this is named as aniline. Now the next one, that is the seventh combination of this is when you represent the structure of this like the benzene, you have to attain one CH with double bond. The structure is known as a benzalone. Eighth number configuration, that is the formation when only one combination of this benzene is combined for the formation. When one carbon is attached for the formation of the system 3 bond, this is called benzo. This is called benzo. Consideration of ninth number of the benzene structure. This is the formation when one benzene derivative is combined with the purpose of CH2 dash only. This is benzyl. Now we have to discuss about the next one is formation, 10 number formation. When benzene is combined on the formation like this and NO2 is attached on this is the formation of nitrobenzene. So guys, do a practice of every structure of benzene derivative. You have this type to the name of this. You have to understand the name of this. You have to learn the name of this. Try to remember it constantly and consecutively. This is most important for this. So take a note of this.